There's danger in the air. You need to escape from the dungeon, but why not check that chest before you go? Use attack it to open the chest, then a while loop to escape. Okay. Where are we going? So, looks like we need to move right, move up, attack the chest, and then we're gonna go right. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, right. 1, 2, 3, down. Okay. Let's see how we can sort this one out. Oh, they already have it on here. Okay. So it already has it up there. So yeah, we're gonna move right, and then break open chest before using the loop to escape the maze. Do we have to go up to even? Well, let's see. Because I feel like we need to move up first, and then we need to open the chest. So we're gonna use the string chest because it's the name of it. Make sure it's capitalized. And then I believe we need to move back down. Oh, this was the return back into the main hallway section. I was about to say. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to, I guess we're escaping this ball that's gonna be chasing us. So we're gonna move right, move up, attack the chest, move back down into the hallway, and then, oh, the bottom part. We also have to go down. Otherwise we would be stuck. So I think it's move right 3 times, move down, move right, move down. We'll see. Let's run it. Open up the chest. Oh, you got some potion. Run! Well, that thing's fast. Can you run faster? And she's out the door. Awesome. So by doing this while loop, it prevented us from typing. We would literally have to do move right 3 times, move down 3 times, move right like over and over again. And the while loop allows you to repeat these steps over and over without retyping them. So that's awesome.